everyone, it's me, Alegra. I'm here in LA and I thought it would be super fun to hop on with a testing out new makeup video. I did head straight to the Sephora here in Pasadena where I'm staying, and I got some new makeup. I got the Makeup by Mario concealer, the new concealer, and I also got the new Milk Makeup setting powder. So it's supposed to be mess free, and that really intrigued me. It's also talc free, so that's also a great feature of this new setting powder from Milk Makeup. So I did get some other things too that I thought I would just quickly kind of test out with you beauties. I got a new Patrick Ta lip. I got a bunch of new stuff, but these are just the things that I'm going to test out today, and then I'm going to come back and show you everything I got, because you guys, I got this shampoo. I'll just tell you really quickly, I can't keep this. Oh my god. Because when I got here, I took a shower. The water is very hard here. The soap actually wouldn't wash out of my hair. It was pretty gross because it was like sticky and gross all day. So that's what inspired me to go to Sephora. I said, this girl needs some help. And actually, you guys, I purchased this shampoo. I just gotta tell you really quickly. This is the K18 Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo. So I used this shampoo, and you guys, my hair came out so silky, so shiny. I didn't have to, normally I do straight blow dry and then straighten my hair. I didn't even straighten it. It just came out like this after I blow dried it. So this, and it makes your hair feel so clean, so silky, so fresh. You do use this once a week because it feels so good. I want to use it all the time, but they said just use this once a week. And I have used other detox shampoos, but this one is so special. There's something about it. It makes your hair very silky. I couldn't believe it because, again, I normally do a lot of straightening to get this look with it, and I use different products. But I didn't have to do that. Just use this, my blow dryer, and you guys, it's amazing. So let's go ahead quickly and first test out the new Makeup by Mario concealer. I do have on my face right now the Chanel #1 foundation, and so I think I want to put on a little color corrector, but let's go ahead and put this on and see how it performs. Here is the concealer. So it has a very nice size applicator and feels nice and creamy. Seems like it has a lot of coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and use my finger and blend that out. I'm going to take my ring finger and just gently press this into my skin. It's blending out like a dream. It feels almost gel-like. It feels so moisturizing and so soothing. Definitely not dry, definitely not tugging. So much coverage. I hope you guys can see. I can't believe the difference, and that was just seconds. So what do you guys think? Brightened, 100% concealed, did not settle into the fine lines, blended so effortlessly, pretty much melted into my skin. Wow, this is, you know what? Have you guys tried this yet? Because this is seriously worth trying. And actually, I gotta say, out of all the concealers that I've tried lately, this is probably best makeup 2023. This has got to be best concealer. Now that was one application. Concealed the hollowing, this brightened, this concealed. This is amazing. It feels so natural, skin-like. It feels lightweight, feels weightless on my skin. It feels incredible. So this is definitely worth your money. It's incredible. So let's go ahead and do this side now. Yeah, it blends in seconds, you guys. I'm so shocked because normally it could take me like 5 to 10 minutes of blending to get my concealer right. This is worth every penny and then some. It's incredible. So now let's go ahead and set this with, I got the new Milk Makeup setting powder. So again, this is talc free, and what it is that's really special, and this is what made me purchase it. It has a unique packaging to it, so you could swivel the inner packaging, and it's going to make it so the powder doesn't get out and doesn't spill all over your makeup bag. So this is it closed, and then you just swivel it, and here it is open. So I'm just gonna tap some. Ooh, kind of a lot comes out, just so you know. I was surprised. This is really the first time I'm trying it. And then you want to swivel it again. And now it's closed and it won't spill out all over your makeup bag, because when I was traveling, my powder did spill out all over my makeup bag, and it's pretty, it's annoying. So, I got everything messed up. So I'm just going to take an eyeshadow, a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I've been loving doing this lately, and I just tap my translucent setting powder in it, and then I go ahead and press it under my eyes. I did get the lightest shade that they have. They had about 5 different shades. This is very light, So I don't know if you guys have tried the Laura Mercier setting powder. In comparison, the Laura Mercier has kind of a warmth undertone. It has a little bit of warmth to it. This does not. It's kind of like a stark white. It's a little bit dry to the look. So I'm just going to go over this with my Beauty Blender sponge. I'm just going to press some more into the T-zone area. The more you press it into your skin, you'll see your skin become more poreless. So I do see now, at first when I put it on, I thought it was a little too white. But now I do see when I put it on with the sponge how it really makes your skin look very poreless. So now just really quickly, I'm just going to put on a quick eye with this Trish McEvoy palette. Actually, did I tell you I was going to do that? So I'm just going to reach into this. Looks like a nice crease tone here. And let's see how this applies. Wow, that is really pigmented. I wasn't expecting. Ooh, look how deep that is. I thought this was like a very natural, a very light neutral kind of shade for your crease, but it actually has some more pigment to it than I anticipated. So I'm actually going to mix this with this lighter one so it's not too, because this is a daytime look we're going for. Because like I said, I'm going to lunch, so I'm not trying to be pulling out the smoky eye, you know, for lunch. But this is flipping gorgeous. Wow, I've never tried Trish McEvoy shadows before, so this is my first time. So creamy, so beautiful. I'll just take a little bit of that first shade that we put down and just kind of smudge this. It's so intense, you guys. It looks like one of those from other brands. You put a shade like that on, it comes out very light. This color packs a ton of color that you're not expecting, because it doesn't. I guess these shadows are very pigmented. And again, this is my first time using them, so they're beautiful. I just never expected them to be so pigmented, but wow. And I'll just take a little bit of this beautiful shimmer here. Oh, it's gorgeous. It looks wet. It's glistening. The glitter and the shimmer of it is so finely milled. You could probably pack it on more if you want, but just for my daytime look here, I'm just blending it out. And it actually looks wet on the eye. And I'll just add a tiny bit of this Chanel liner here. This liner is really good because it does come with a brush on the other end, an angled brush, so you can blend it out if you're traveling. That's why I brought this with me, since I'm traveling. These products that have 2-in-1 make it so much easier. And actually you can take some of the eyeshadow even. I'll take this brown eyeshadow and use the brush and just kind of soften up that wing and make a pretty little tiny wing right there. So beauties, I'm back. I just added some mascara and a little bit of bronzer. I'm just going to spritz my face with my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. This is just going to help everything to look more glowy and radiant and help everything melt in together. So I do actually have a Patrick Ta lip, but I also did get this new Dior lipstick. So this is the Dior 220. Actually, I think I'll wear this one instead. So this one looks matte, but it's very creamy. It's very moisturizing. So it actually feels so good on your lips. So beauties, this is the finished look. I cannot tell you how amazing this Makeup by Mario concealer is. You definitely need this in your life. It is truly a game-changing makeup product. The New Milk Makeup talc-free setting powder is so good. You know, is it my favorite? I'm not sure, but it's very nice and definitely gives you a poreless finish to your skin. So that's what's really nice about that. And also it's going to be mess free when you're traveling. And I just love this new Dior lip. It feels so good, so comfy on your lips. Pretty much is transfer, it stays put. It's very long lasting and it's such a beautiful shade. This is again the 220.
So I just wanted to hop on and share a wear test with you beauties. So after wearing this makeup for a few hours, I noticed that I did have a lot more shine than usual. So I would put it down to the setting powder, maybe just not keeping me as mattified as other setting powders that I use. But also beauties, I wanted to let you beauties know that I am having a giveaway today for a Sephora gift card. So this is for a $100 gift card for the winner. All you have to do to take part is to be a subscriber to my channel and also comment Glam Fam down below to let me know that you want to take part. So all my giveaways are for my subscribers. I just appreciate you guys so much and all of your support, and I just want to show you how much I appreciate you. So definitely take part in this giveaway if you'd like to win.
That's everything that I have to test out today. The Trish McEvoy too. Oh my gosh, amazing, so beautiful. So that's pretty much it. I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I will see you very soon. Bye.